Color CHR dollar codes. Take a brief look at Appendix F, then turn back to this section. You may have noticed in looking over the list of CHR dollar codes in Appendix F that each color, as well as most other keyboard controls, such as cursor movement, has a unique code. These codes can be printed directly to obtain the same results as typing and the appropriate key within the print statement. For example, try this. The text should now be green. In many cases, using the CHR dollar funk tie-in will be much easier, especially if you want to experiment with changing colors. The following program is a different way to get a rainbow of colors. Since there are a number of lines that are similar, 4110, use the editing keys to save a lot of typing. See the notes after the listing to refresh your memory on the editing procedures. Editing notes. Use the CRSR up key to position the cursor on line 40. Then type 5 over the 4 of 40. Next, use the CRSR right key to move over to the 5 in the CHR dollar parentheses. Hit registered RMM to open up a space and type 28 foot. Now just hit I with the cursor anywhere on the line. The display should now look like this. Don't worry. Line 40 is still there. List the program and see. Using the same procedure, continue to modify the last line with a new line number and CHR dollar code until all the remaining lines have been entered. See, we told you the editing keys would come in handy. Handy. As a final check, list the entire program to make sure all the lines were entered properly before you run it.
Well, I like that. That's very good.
Here is a short explanation of what's going on. You've probably figured out most of the color bar program by now except for some strange new statement in line 30. But let's quickly see what the whole program actually does. Line 5 prints the CHR dollar code for CLR/home. Line 10 turns reverse type on and prints 5 spaces, which turn out to be a bar, since they're reversed. The first time through the program the bar will be light blue, the normal text color. Line 20 uses our workhorse, the random function, to select a random color between 1 and 8. Line 30 contains a variation of the if then statement which is called on. Go to. On. Go to allows the program to choose from a list of line numbers to go to. If the variable, in this case CL, has a value of 1, the first line number is the one chosen, here 40. If the value is 2, the second number in the list is used, etc. Lines 40 to 110 just convert our random key colors to the appropriate CHR dollar code for that color and return the program to line 10 to print a section of the bar in that color. Then the whole process starts over again. See if you can figure out how to produce 16 random numbers, X. Hand on. Go to handle them, and add the remaining CHR dollar codes to display the remaining 8 colors.